In this video, we shall discuss about higher order derivatives. Now, we already know if y equal to fx is any function. If I differentiate this once, then we write dy by dx. Okay? What is it? Sometimes I write f dash x. Or sometimes I write y dash. Sometimes I write y1. Okay, you know all these notations of differentiation. Okay, here we have differentiated y with respect to x once. So this is first order derivative. If I differentiate this result once again, then I get second order derivative. What is it? It is derivative of d by dx of dy by dx. Okay? dy by dx, what you result you got, you differentiate once again, you will get the second order derivative. Okay? And what are the notations? I write it as d2y by dx2. Okay? Square नहीं पढ़ते हैं because this is an operator, it is not square. Okay, an operator is applied twice and it is, I write f double dash x. I can also write y double dash. I can write y2. Okay, these are various notations. And in the same style, what is third order derivative? That is differentiation of second order derivative d by dx of d2y by dx2. And how I write? It is d3y by dx3 or f triple dash x or y triple dash or y3. Okay? In this way, we go on differentiating again and again to get higher order derivatives. Okay, now let us take some examples on finding first order, second order derivatives. Okay, now come with this question. Y is equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx. We want to prove d2y by dx2 plus n square y is 0. This I want to prove. Okay. Now, y is a cos nx plus b sin nx. Now, from 1 I get dy by dx, the first order derivative. That is, I will differentiate this y once, first time. A cos nx minus sin nx into derivative of nxn plus b cos nx sin nx derivative cos nx into nx derivative n. So I take common, it is n common, a minus a sin nx plus b cos nx. Am I right? If I differentiate this once again to get d2y by dx2, it is nothing but d by dx, kiska d by dx of dy by dx. Means I will differentiate this thing once again. N common. Minus a derivative of sin nx, it is cos nx into n plus b derivative of cos nx, it is minus sin nx into n. I will take n common once again and a minus is going common So A cos nx plus B sin nx. Okay, so what you got, it is nothing but already एक n था और एक n आ गया, n square minus n square. You just compare, ये y ही है. Therefore d2y by dx2 plus n square y is 0 proved. Okay, let us take another question. That was a question in 2001. Now let us take y is a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. To prove d2y by dx2 minus m plus n dy by dx plus mny equal to 0. That I want to prove. This is y given. What is dy by dx? I get a e to the power mx derivative e to the power mx into mx ka m plus b e to the power nx into n over what is d2y by dx2? A m e to the power mx into m again plus bn e to the power nx into n. So it is nothing but am square e to the power mx plus bn square e to the power nx. This is am e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx. Now what is my LHS? d2y by dx2 minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y. Let me see what it is coming. am square e to the power mx bn square e to the power nx minus m plus n into dy by dx am e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx plus mny mn y a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. Take e to the power mx common. What you are getting? am square इधर से minus am into m plus n minus am square minus amn plus amn plus e to the power nx common in this way bn square minus bmn minus bn square plus bmn. Is it 0? Yes, proved. 0 हो गया. चलो next we are taking some more examples. Okay, now this is a question. Y is 3 number. Y is a cos log x plus b sin log x. To prove x square d2y by dx2 plus ax dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Mark. We will apply our common sense to solve this question. Now you see what we want to prove. There is neither this nor this, nor log, nor cos, nor sin. So I get differentiating ones. dy by dx is a cos log x minus sin log x into derivative of log x 1 by x. Got? Same style. B sin log x का derivative cos log x into log x का 1 by x. So one thing you remember, the simple idea is don't keep denominator, don't keep root. That is the best way to solve the questions on second derivative. Okay, what I told, don't keep denominator, don't keep root. So I don't keep this denominator. Matlab I write xy is minus a sin log x plus b cos log x. Differentiate here once again. Okay, that is xy nahi, x dy by dx. Got the idea? Now x into derivative of dy by dx, d2y by dx, to product rule I shall apply. First derivative of second, dy by dx derivative is d2y by dx plus dy by dx into x ka derivative 1. Leave it. Here minus a sin log x derivative cos log x into 1 by x. B cos log x derivative minus sin log x into log x derivative x. Take again, don't keep denominator, don't keep root. X square d2y by dx2 plus x dy by dx mark minus ये y है. Proved. Okay, in this way you will have to proceed. Now let us take some more questions. Okay, चलो बढ़िया बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, लेते हैं सुंदर सुंदर क्वेश्चन. चलो, this was a question in 2005, 2015, 2013. Oh, what it is? What it is? It is ax plus b e to the power y by x equal to x. To prove, देखो to prove x cube d2y by dx2 equal to x dy by dx minus y का whole square. One day I had told you, if you find something square to prove, always keep that in denominator. Okay, if you can. जब हो पाएगा तब देखते हैं, जब हो पाएगा we will keep, otherwise we will do another one. Okay, चलिए. Now here from the given equation what I got, e to the power y by x is x by ax plus b. Am I right? So what is y by x? It is log x by ax plus b. Mark here, this is log x minus log ax plus b. So what is my y? Y is x log x minus x log ax plus b. Now what is dy by dx? Okay, or you do directly here, you find the dy by dx here. Okay, it is a ratio, so ratio formula will apply x square, x into y का derivative dy by dx minus y into x का derivative 1 log x का 1 by x minus 1 by ax plus b into a over. So what I am getting here, it is the LCM is x into ax plus b and ऊपर क्या आएगा ax plus b minus ax. It is simply b by x into ax plus b. Got the idea? Now what I got, x cancelled. Okay, I got x dy by dx. I got x dy by dx, okay, minus y is how much? एक x तो कट जाएगा, तो x will go there. ओके अच्छा ये b, हाँ x प्लस b, अच्छा माइनस x, ओके x प्लस b, हाँ y is here what I got, x plus b e to the power this. Okay, so what I got here, this is bx by x plus b. Okay, now this is my x dy by dx minus y. Okay, now here what you are getting, so I will differentiate once again. जब मैं और एक बार डेरिवेटिव करूं, what I am getting, x into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx into 1 माइनस dy by dx, वो क्या बन गया, डिनोमिनेटर स्क्वायर x प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर x प्लस बी, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ न्यूमरेटर b माइनस न्यूमरेटर bx, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर a. So what I got, it is b square by, okay, x प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर. वो क्या है, दिस इज नथिंग बट b बाई एक्स प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर. वो b बाई एक्स प्लस बी कौन है, दैट इज x dy बाई dx माइनस y का y बाई एक्स का. ओके, बी स्क्वायर बाई एक्स प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर. वो क्या है, x dy बाई dx माइनस y बाई एक्स वही था. व्हाट वाज, यही b बाय, यू सी b बाई एक्स प्लस बी क्या था, x dy बाई dx माइनस y बाई एक्स का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, now you take the cross multiplication and get the answer. These two are cancelled. Okay, now in next video we shall take some more typical questions on derivative.